back to our channel tool Junkie DI enthusiasts and tool aficionados. Are you ready to dive into the world of powerful cutting tools? Well, you're in the right place because today we're pitting two titans against each other, the cutoff tool and the angle grinder. This is your ultimate angle grinder review and cutoff tool comparison. So grab your safety gear and let's cut to the chase. First up, let's introduce our contenders. On one side, we have the versatile angle grinder known for its robust power and multi-purpose use. And on the other, the Milwaukee cutoff tool, a specialist in precise and clean cuts. Which one will come out on top? Let's find out. Let's dive into the angle grinder. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage by understanding what each tool brings to the table. The angle grinder, a tool that's been the go-to for professionals and dyers alike, boasts a side-mounted spinning disc that's perfect for a range of tasks. On the flip side, we have the cutoff tool, a relative newcomer to the scene, but don't let its specificity fool you. The cutoff tool, with its straight blade, is a force to be reckoned with when it comes to precision cutting. Known for its precision and portability, it's a game changer for detailed work. But how does it fare against the robust angle grinder? We're about to dissect. Power comparison for angle grinder versus cutoff tool. For the moment of truth, the angle grinder and cutoff tool comparison will evaluate them on various grounds: power, precision, versatility, and ease of use. Who will emerge as the ultimate tool champion? When it comes to power, angle grinders are generally available in a wider range of sizes, from compact models that fit in your hand to larger versions that pack a serious punch. In contrast, the cutoff tool is designed to be lightweight and easy to handle, making it perfect for precise cuts without the muscle strain. But power isn't everything. What about precision and control? This is where the Milwaukee cutoff tool shines. Its design allows for cleaner, more controlled cuts, especially in tight spaces where an angle grinder might be too bulky. Moving on to versatility. The angle grinder is the Swiss Army knife of tools. With the right attachment, you can go from slicing through metal to buffing out scratches, all with a quick swap of the disc. Now, let's talk about the applications. For heavy-duty tasks and a need for diverse functionality, the angle grinder is your best bet. But when precision is key and you're working with materials that require a delicate touch, the cutoff tool steps up to the plate. Performance? Which is best? Angle grinder or cutoff tool? It's not just about the tool. It's about the task at hand. For broad spectrum use and adaptability, the angle grinder takes the crown. However, for specialized cutting, especially in confined spaces, the cutoff tool could be your MVP. Cost is also a factor. Angle grinders can range significantly in price based on size and power, while cutoff tools have a narrower price band reflecting their specialized function. So you should compare the cost of angle grinders and cutoff tools, analyzing which offers better value for money. Is it worth investing in both? Analyze your needs and then decide. Which is safer, angle grinder or cutoff tool? When it comes to safety, both the cutoff tool and the angle grinder require proper handling and safety precautions due to their power and the nature of their operation. However, the cutoff tool is generally considered to be safer than the angle grinder for several reasons. Cutoff tools are designed for precision work, which usually involves less aggressive cutting and therefore can result in fewer accidents. On the other hand, angle grinders can have significant kickback due to their powerful spinning motion and side-mounted discs, making them potentially more dangerous. Comfort is key when working with power tools. We'll compare the ergonomics of the angle grinder with the cutoff tool, which one allows for longer fatigue-free operation. Cutoff tools are typically easier to handle and control due to their lighter weight and design, reducing the risk of losing control. Also, the smaller disc as cutoff tools are less intimidating and can be easier to manage, thus reducing the likelihood of an accident. On the other hand, with its ergonomic design, this tool doesn't just fit your project, it fits you. That's right, your comfort is key, and the angle grinder is your loyal work partner. So which is the right tool for you? Remember that the best tool for the job is the one that matches your specific needs. Are you looking for versatility or pinpoint precision, hefty power or lightweight control? Your choice will shape your work, so choose wisely. Here's a chart for you to make the decision easily. This extended chart is designed to be short and informative, providing viewers with a glimpse of understanding of both the angle grinder and the cutoff tool. Thank you for joining us on this cutting-edge journey. If you enjoyed this angle grinder review and comparison, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget to share your experiences with these tools in the comments below. Until next time, keep on building and stay safe.